Hey, it's a student here, and today we're going to be talking about the further improvements I've been making regarding my program, videoIdeas note-taking application. So let's just have a look at what I got for now. So previously, I had the ability to choose between different topics and load the topics, and that was more or less it. Now, I have added first a new page, which allows me both to add new topics and to add new video ideas and remove the topics and remove video ideas. So let's go through it. First of all, I have my topics. I load them. Let's just load the UML and I can save it to the system, but that's not the focus today. So first of all, let's try adding a new video idea. So which topic will I be adding to? I'll be adding it to the topic UML. And I will just call it test, just call it hello world, like that, and add video idea. It's then removed from here and added here, but for now I still need to load again. I might be adding some kind of like automatic loading, but for now I need to load again. And here we go, hello world. Actually, let's clean up a bit because quite a few examples I've just been making that actually don't make that much sense. So we have this random letters, remove, we have this, yeah, I don't know if that's also random letters, remove, and the test remove. And let's try save it. And we close the program and we run it again. And as you can see, they are completely removed for now. In the same way, we can add new topics and remove them. So for now, I only have the UML and GSE, General Software Engineering. And I would add a new topic. It's down here. And let's just go test topic. And I would add the topics. And now I have a test topic, which I can load, which for now is empty. Let's just add a few ideas to my test topic, just to demonstrate. Load. We can remove them. And as well, we can delete the topics. So if I here choose the topic, then I added a little checkbox to make sure I don't misclick. So I don't just delete a topic right away, but you need to click the checkbox and then delete topics. And as you can see now, it's gone and it's gone. So that's pretty much the basics of what I have for now. I'm now able to add different topics where I can add video ideas, I can create new topics, and I can delete the topics and remove video ideas. The next step is probably going to be have some kind of like work on button, which allows me to click on a topic, a video idea, work on it, and it's then going to be removed from the video ideas list and then added to the today's work list, where I'll probably have a list here, and then I might be able to have like add different nodes to the different topics or stuff. Maybe have like topics be like a header and then a text box. I don't know, but that's gonna be work of the future. So for now, that's the basic setup I have. So I don't actually know how much you guys want to hear about the code, but I will just be giving a few examples of how it actually works. So I have a topic manager, which is an object that contains the hash map, which contains the topics and the video idea list, and then have a video idea list object, which contains an array list of the video ideas, and the video idea is an object that contains the topic and the idea as strings. So as you can see, we have this kind of hierarchy containing all different stuff, and then each of different objects have different kind of abilities and uses. And then, of course, I use all of these different objects inside my control class, which is the connection between like the domain layer, which is all the usability, all the actually functionality of the program, and connected to the different GUI, like graphical user interface, objects, elements. So for example, when I add a new video, I get the topic from the topic choice box. I then get the video idea from the video idea text box. Then I use the topic manager to add a new video idea based on a topic and the video idea. And in this case, I just set the text box where I wrote the idea to nothing, so it's like looks like it kind of got sucked into the system. And in this way, I have this connection between my domain layer, which is the functionality of the program, and my presentation layer, which is the graphical user interface. And in this way, it's pretty easy to change how, for example, video ideas are added because it's part of different objects. So that's all I want to show for now. If you enjoyed this showcase of how it's going with my YouTube idea note-taking system, or application, whatever you want to call it, please leave a like and subscribe, and I wish you all a wonderful day.